Welcome to an adventure-packed playground experience. Introducing our 4-seater single-spring deluxe seesaw. Designed for endless outdoor fun. This premium equipment boasts 4 comfortable seats in a vibrant blue hue, ensuring a delightful ride for kids. Crafted with top-quality pipes and anchored by a robust spring mechanism in the middle, our seesaw guarantees a safe and balanced playtime for all. With convenient hand grips and supportive footrests, children can enjoy a smooth and secure ride every time. Our commitment to excellence ensures that your little ones can play with confidence and joy. Join us as we embark on a journey of laughter and excitement with our unparalleled 4-seater single-spring deluxe seesaw, where safety and quality come first.